Hello again and welcome to the channel. If you're seeing this for the first time, welcome to the channel. Today I'm talking about some interior protection videos, and I said welcome again because it's part 2 of this series here. I did a part 1 already where I talked about interior floor mats, and so check that out if you haven't seen that video yet. Basically, it's a floor mat option from Yeslak that gives you both the protection of all-weather carpets or with all-weather protection and the comfort of having the actual textile carpet. And so you get basically 2-in-1. You have the floor mat that has a carpet on it, and you can choose to take off the carpet and just get the all-weather by itself, or you can put the carpet back on it for the comfort of having that cushion of the carpet and the protection of the all-weather. So check that out if you haven't seen that yet. But if it's not already and you're here for part 2, welcome. I've got a bunch of stuff in here, and this is going to be, like I said, this is an interior protection kit. It goes from everything from the seat backs to the sides of inside your car, door seals and everything. It's a bunch of products here, and I'm going to go through all of this and show you basically what each one is and where it goes and how it protects the car. And if you're interested and want to order, yeslak.com is where you go. And if you use the code TIT offer, you get a discount of your order. Now, you don't have to get everything on here. You can choose to order stuff based on what you desire. Like, for example, you can choose to just protect the seat back only and this trunk here. If you carry a lot of stuff that might involve you scratching the back, which I wish I had found this a lot sooner, because I got some scratches in my car from carrying lumber and everything, and I did not have proper protection. So you don't have to get everything. If you want to go all out, by all means you can do that. But if you want to just be specific to, okay, you know what, maybe I want to just protect more of this from that, you can choose what you want to get. But on that note, let's just dive into it and go through everything in here, and then talk about what they do and how you can use them. All right, so to kind of help lay out what it's going to look like, I kind of put everything out here, and I'm going to start from the front. So this is going to be going to the side. These two pieces here, they go on the side of your center console. On the other end here, this goes on the opposite side by the door, right under your center, your front dash. That goes to the left side, the right side. Walking our way back, this will go around your seat risers. So driver's seat, passenger seat, it goes around the seat risers, and then coming to the rear, that goes around the right when you go trying to get into your rear seat. That's where that's going to go around. This piece here goes around the back of the seat. In the bottom, you can see the cutoff for the center console over there. That's the other side of that. And then this piece here goes this way by the bottom of the rear seat. So you got that, and then those two side pieces here are going against the door sill on the rear. And then you've got 3 seat backs here. So this is on the back of the rear seat. So the left, center, and right. This goes on the back of the rear seats. This is going to go on the side of the trunk, rather, the trunk space, side of the trunks, that there. This is the seal cover for the rear trunk. And then this small pieces here go right, basically continues the seal, and then this goes right on top of it. We don't have the front and the sub trunk or full trunk cover in here. Again, this is not a full setup, but again, you can choose to buy anything you want from the side, but it's all it out here. Let's start putting them in and see what it looks like once it's on the car. All right, if you saw in the first video, I installed this floor mats in the first video, just to make sure I have room to put everything. I'm gonna take this floor mats out first. Then I'm gonna start with this side dash. So that goes on the side, and actually this is for the passenger side. So I'll put that there. You can tell from the shape of it where this is gonna go. It's gonna go over there. So this is to basically help, and you can see over here, this is my foot probably hitting this side panel over time. This is all rubber, and that will protect that side from having that kind of indentation. So it's got all these rubber pieces have this Velcro strips all on the edges and in the middle to help you hold it in place. And so if you stick it on wrongly, just simply pull back and we stick. So I'm gonna align the edge here first. So now you can see I've got that protection over there now. So now if I'm putting my foot over here, I'm gonna be hitting this rubber piece and not the carpet that's over there. So that's one protection that you have over there. And if you do this when you get your car new, that's one way to maintain and keep your car pristine for a long time. Now this other piece here will be for the inside part. This piece here is going to be going against this inside. So we got the pedals here. We just did this side. Now this is for this side. Same thing. Just gonna, this one will start from the top. And so everything should fit nicely in place. And so if you're putting your foot on the dead pedal here, you're also not hitting up over here. So now that I have those two pieces in front in place, I can put the floor carpet back in here. Yeah, protection here, protection down, protection on the side, and that is the front driver side. All good. Next up, we're gonna do this seat riser, and I'm gonna raise the seat up just to give myself some room. All right, so for this seat risers, you have this piece here, and it's gonna go like so. The brake in the same goes on the inside. So here's how it goes. We'll go do passenger side and we'll just keep walking our way back. All right, this actually goes around the inner risers. So the two middle risers in the back here, that's where this goes. So let's see what that looks like. And so that is the middle part right there. It's done. You can see you've got the covering here now, covering there. It goes in there a little bit, goes around, and then in front, just gotta go in front, pull the Velcros around, tack in front, and that takes care of that piece. Next up, I'm gonna tackle this piece here. I'll show you where that's gonna go. That's gonna go against this back part down here of the rear seat. So to give myself some room. And basically, this goes over there. You can see the shape. So that's that. A lot quicker and easier. And now again, protection over here. Then I'm gonna bring the floor mat back into place. So on and off for this rear spot, I've got seat riser protectors. I've got side protectors, I've got resting protectors, I've got floor mat. So it might be overkill for this wear place, but again, that's why you can pick and choose what you want. If you already have floor mats in place, you don't need a floor mat, get the rear protector piece. You can pick and choose what you want. So now this, all right, now let's talk about these two pieces here. This piece here, I'm not going to be using. My car was made, this is the 2022, and as of that time in 2022 when they made the Teslas, this part here actually came as plastic. Now this part is carpet, and so if you have a newer Tesla that you have carpet or fabric in this section, this will come in handy for you, because what that does then is you basically can take this and let's make sure I got this correct. You can basically take this and put it right there, like so. And what that does is it converts your fabric part here to this plastic. You're protecting that plastic. Little kids like to step on this part a lot and step in, but again, this already comes plastic for this model. So for my vehicle, I don't need this portion, so I'm skipping this part. All right, this 3-part here, I am excited about. Let's go install these 3 pieces and then see what it look like. Now the back seat is protected. We have left now is those side panels over there, the Sill, and so let's keep moving and see how those go. So this piece here is a cutout for this notching here. That's what this is for. And so on that note, let's start the alignment. Now, this is the only part here that doesn't have Velcro because you're putting rubber on plastic. This goes over this spot over here, but if you just put it in there like this, it's not gonna do anything. So you gotta take off this adhesive strip. I'm gonna strip it on there, lay it on here. I will also advise you to don't take this off entirely by itself, but when you put this on, you're gonna basically bring that seal over that again. So I'm gonna have my pry tool handy, not needed, just gonna have it handy. Of course, you want your surface to be clean and dry, and it goes like so. Just to make it a little bit easier, I'm gonna take this guy out of the way. So let's peel and stick. mean, I can't tell how many times I've already scratched that part of my car. So again, this is coming in very handy to have. And then these two pieces go on this felt part of the car, and then the rest you're just gonna press. All right, so we've gone through and we've installed a bunch of protection. We've got the rear seat backs, the side panels over here, the trunk seal, floor mats, center console side. We've gone the whole 9 yard, door risers, and so all of this helps to go protect your car in one way or the other from spills, damage, scratches. Because doing all this at one time might be overkill for you, but you have the opportunity to pick and choose what you want based on what you need. So if you don't need certain things, if you already have something in place, you need to get a whole thing, you can just pick and choose what you want depending on the level of protection you want. So again, if you're getting a new car, it's best to do this right from the beginning so you can keep that pristine look for the life of your car. But hopefully that's been helpful for you. Again, this is through Yeslak. I'm gonna have the link in the description. Use a coupon code TIT offer. You get a discount off of anything you order. Instead, hopefully this has been helpful for you. And if you have found this useful, share with folks that might be in the market, that might be new. And if you're also in the market for a Tesla and you're getting ready to buy a product or you're getting ready to like shop for Tesla, you can use a referral link that'll be in the description also. But again, I hope this has been helpful for you. And if you have, don't forget to hit the share button, like it, leave your comments, and we'll see you next time.